the screen, we can watch videos and pictures. This is a keyboard. We type letter and number. This is the speaker. We can hear music and sound from here. This is the power button. We use it to turn on the laptop. Today we learn about laptop parts. Now it's your turn. Next class coming soon. Keep learning. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.